The Honest Rabbit. Once upon a time, there was a little rabbit named Bun Bun. Bun Bun lived in a cozy burrow in the forest. This rabbit was special because he always told the truth. He was known as the Honest Rabbit. One sunny morning, while Bun Bun was hopping around the meadow, he found a shiny red apple lying on the ground. The apple looked delicious, and Bun Bun's tummy rumbled with hunger. But then he remembered something important. He knew he had to find the owner of the apple. Bun Bun hopped through the forest, asking all the animals if the apple belonged to them. He asked the squirrels, the birds, and even the wise old owl, but nobody claimed the apple. Finally, Bun Bun reached a little girl named Lily, who was picnicking in the meadow. Bun Bun politely asked, "Excuse me, Lily, is this your apple?" Lily looked surprised and said, "Oh no, Bun Bun, that's not mine. I brought oranges for my picnic." Bun Bun felt a little sad that he couldn't find the apple's owner. But he knew what he had to do. He gave the apple to Lily and said, "Even though nobody claimed this apple, it's important to be honest and return things that don't belong to us." Lily smiled and thanked Bun Bun for his honesty. She shared the apple with her friends, and they all enjoyed a tasty snack. From that day on, Lily and Bun Bun became good friends. The honest rabbit, Bun Bun, felt happy inside because he did the right thing. He knew that being honest was always the best choice, even if it meant giving up something yummy. And so, the honest rabbit continued his adventures in the forest, always telling the truth and making the world a better place with his honesty. The end.